In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report on chat and email conversations in HubSpot. To do that, head over to the Reporting tab, which you can find right here. Now click on Reports. Once you have done this, the next thing you need to do is to click onto this Create option and click on Create Report. So with this case, we don't actually have a template for this, so we need the custom report builder. So click on this custom report, click on this, and click on Next. After you have done that, you will be redirected to the custom report builder. Now, into this case, we just need to choose a primary data source. For this case, we need chat and email instead of contacts. So you can find right here between the CTAs. So for example, you can also search for email. We have in here sales emails and likes, or you can also just search right here for chat and just head over and choose what we need right here. Now in here, you can also add more data source if you want. Now click on next. Now we have right here the report. You can add metrics like numbers of message as well as sales emails click. We have in here the link text, mobile source, and you can just proceed to add charts if you want. Once you're done, you can head over and save this report. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.